Welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook ad image using Canva step by step. You don't need any graphic design experience. Canva makes it very easy to design professional ad creatives for Facebook and Instagram. First, go to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't already have a Canva account, simply sign up using your Google account. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're inside the Canva dashboard, look at the left menu. Click the plus Create icon to start a new design. At the top search bar, type Facebook ad. You'll see several size options, such as Facebook feed ad, story ad, video ad. You can select a size from the list or create a custom size from the left menu if needed. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Facebook feed ad. It's a square format, and it works well for most placements across Facebook and Instagram. A blank editor will open. You can manually add text, images, graphics, or videos here, but I strongly recommend starting with a template, especially if you're a beginner. Don't worry about brand colors or at this stage. Everything can be changed later. Choose a template that fits your product or service. For this example, I'm selecting a baby product template. Now let's customize the design. Click on the text to edit the product name or offer. You'll find all text formatting options in the top bar, including font size, color, spacing, and alignment. Next, add your logo. I'm copying the logo from the Facebook page profile picture and pasting it into Canva. If your logo or image has a background, you can remove it using Canva's background removal tool. This feature is available in the paid version of Canva. Resize and position the logo to fit naturally into the design. Now let's bring the product image from the website. Go to your website, copy the product image, and paste it directly into the Canva editor. If you drop the image onto a placeholder, Canva will automatically replace the existing image. Resize and adjust the image if necessary. Canva offers unlimited pre-designed elements, both free and paid. I'm adding a 20% off graphic to highlight the offer. You can change the color of the graphic to match your brand color or color theme. Now I'm adding an Order Now button and adjusting its color as well. I notice that the product name isn't standing out enough. To fix this, I'm adding a shape behind the text and changing its color to improve contrast and readability. This makes the headline more visible, especially on mobile screens. Once everything looks good, click the Share button, then click Download. Choose PNG or JPG format for Facebook ads. Your Facebook ad image is now ready to upload into Meta Ads Manager. That's how you can easily create a Facebook ad image using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more lessons on Meta Ads, Google Ads, Canva design, and digital marketing growth.